In this video, we're going to look at the 2022 question 9, which was a short question. And it said, on the 31st of March 2022, Marion Noack, owner of Party Cosmetics Limited, lodged cash sales of 5,200. There was no VAT on these sales. Post these transactions to the relevant ledger accounts below. So you can see here that we have a sales account and we have the two sides, the debit and the credit. And you can see that we have a bank account and we have the debit and we have the credit. Okay, so I'm going to go with what most students know, and most students are more aware of the bank account, and we would know that the inside, so money coming in, is on the debit side, and then money going out is on the credit side. Okay, so we just go with what we know first of all. This is saying that they lodged cash sales of 5,200. So therefore we know we are going to record that on the debit side. And hopefully you know that under double entry bookkeeping, we have to have the same amount of debits and credits. So therefore the sales, we are going to put that into the credit side. Okay, so we will have in the bank 31st of the 3rd 2022, and we will say sales because that is the name of the other account. So you'll see here we're writing sales, and then in the sales account you will see that we are writing bank or cash, which is the name of the other account. And that is 6 marks, and so most likely you'll be getting 1 mark for each of those individual different 6 things that you have there. So just go with what you know first, I suppose. So the bank, money in, debit side, credit is money out. And that is that question 9 complete.